Hi! In this video, we're going to teach you how to make 3 of our favorite fidget toys. You will see how easy it is. Today we make fidget toys with a Gato rainbow and la Gata moon. The first one we're going to make is this one, a puppet. You've asked for it a lot and we can't wait to make our own. We're going to need color cardboard or laminated paper, 2 small pieces of cardboard, scissors, tape, and a hot glue gun. As you can see, instead of using cardboard, I used laminated paper. But if you don't have it, you can use any piece of plastic or a piece of cardboard. Let's start by making a circle on our piece of paper. And do the same in the other color. And now we're going to cut them out very carefully. Ready. And now we simply have to make a cut halfway through the circle. And we're going to overlap it this way to create a cone. We stick a piece of tape on it so that it doesn't move. And we do the same on the inside. And now all that's left to do is trim the excess tape with scissors. Perfect! I'll repeat the same process with the other circle. If you want us to make more fidget toys videos, let us know in the comments. Now with the tape that we used to make the circle, we're going to make other circles on the cardboard we had. But look, I'm using the inside part to make a smaller circle. And we cut it out. And we do the same thing on the 2 pieces that we had, making sure that they fit perfectly. And now to make the shape a little bit nicer, we're going to cut it out. This way it will look more like a puppet that you can buy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to do it, so you won't miss any video. We upload 2 every week, 1 in Spanish and 1 in English. Now we're going to make some small cuts all around our cone. It is simply so that when we put them in the circle, they fit perfectly. Now you'll see. And we're going to bend the little flaps with our fingers a little bit. And look, this is how it should look. It fits perfectly in the circle that we'd made in the cardboard. Now we repeat the process on the other cone. And we're going to glue it very carefully with silicone. We put a little bit on the circle, and we put our cone. And we do the same on the other side. And glue it. It's already looking good, right? Now we're going to glue the other side. For that, we're going to put silicone all over the surface of the cardboard. And we're going to glue it like this. See how cool it looks? And this is what it sounds like. It's super relaxing. It's not exactly like the puppets that you can buy, but it's close enough. What do you think? Do you like it? What colors would you make them in? Before we show you the next fidget toy we made, we remind you that we have an educational cartoon series that is very funny. You can find 3 seasons in our channel and meet a lot of new characters. Did you already know about our series? Let us know in the comments. Let's continue. Now we're going to make this cool fidget toy. We've always loved this one and we were looking forward to making it. We're going to need green foam sheets, 3 green beads, scissors, an elastic thread. In the end we used this rubber band from here, and finally needle and thread. We're gonna start shaping our pieces of foam sheet. As you can see, I put the 2 together so that when I cut them, they look exactly the same. Perfect. And now with the needle, very carefully we're going to sew it underneath. If you don't want to sew, you can also glue it with silicone, but we're not sure if it's gonna be as resistant. If you're liking this video, don't forget to leave a like. Ready! And now we're going to prepare the beads, which are going to be like the little piece that come out from the inside. We're going to put a small piece of rubber band like this, and we're also going to sew it very close to the bead. Remember that they have to go back to the foam sheet afterwards, so the shorter it is, the easier it will be to put it back inside. Now you'll see what I mean. When we have it sewn, we're going to turn it inside out, and we're going to sew it in the center. And as you can see, the elastic is so short that it would stay inside, and when we press it with our fingers, it will stretch and make the bead come out. We sew the other 2 beads, and it will be ready. We can leave it like this, but to make it a little bit more resistant, we decided to add one more layer of foam sheet on the outside. This is very easy. We just sewed 2 pieces on the outside again, and it looks like this. This way we can squeeze it without fear of breaking it. It's super relaxing, we love it. And it's very similar to the one that you can buy. But it lacks one small detail. We can make little faces on the beads, so we're doing that now with a permanent marker. Look how pretty it looks! The truth is that we didn't expect it to look this cool. We're very happy. And as always, we remind you that you can download a lot of educational resources on our website. This week, we uploaded these Easter activities to work on mathematics. We'll leave the link in the description of the video. We hope you like them a lot, and let's continue with the last fidget toy we've created. We made 2 different versions. Stay until the end to see it. We're going to need 1 marble, Ziploc bag, tape, and scissors. With a bag like this, you can make several of these fidget toys. You can do it in this part here, or if your bags are like mine, you can cut the bottom because they already have the perfect shape for this fidget. You can hardly see it, but here I have this piece of plastic that folds in half. I'm just going to make a kind of tube, so I'm going to put a piece of tape along the length. On the bottom, I put another piece of tape so that the marble doesn't come out. And I cut all the excess tape. And now we put our marble inside. It's super simple. We put another piece of tape on top so that it doesn't come out. Cut. And it's ready! It's that easy, and it's very relaxing to play with it and move the marble from one side to the other. And now we're going to make another version that makes much more cooler noise. We've taken a piece of pink cellophane, and we're going to cut it to the same size as the plastic, making sure that it's wide enough for the marble to fit inside. We also put a little bit of tape to create a tube, and as you can see, it's the exact same thing as before. We close it at the top, cut it, put the marble in, and close it again. Now I'll show you the sound that it makes because you're going to love it. By the way, what videos do you want us to upload from now on? We love to read your suggestions. Look, the 2 fidgets sound great. But now I'll show you more closely the pink one so you can see that it sounds very different. This would be the clear one, and the truth is that we really like it. And this is how the pink one sounds. Look. Since it has the paper inside, it sounds much more when we move the marble. And it's even more relaxing. What was your favorite fidget toy today? Would you like us to upload a video testing fidget toys that we bought? We read you in the comments. And in today's video, we want to send two very special greetings. One to Pamela. The other day, she made the cake recipe that we uploaded and she loved it. Hi Pamela! And another one to Camila Lucia, who also wanted to make the recipe for her grandmother and asked us to send her a greeting. So a very special greeting to Camila Lucia and her grandmother. See you next week with a new video. Don't miss it! And remember that you have this same video available in Spanish. See you soon!